Question number 1. What was the profession of Muhtarama Fatima Jinnah? The correct answer is option C, dentist. Question number 2. Who received Nishan-e-Haider in 1965 war? The correct answer is option B, Major Aziz Bhatti. Question number 3. Mirani Dam is located in which province? The correct answer is option D, Balochistan. Question number 4. The objective resolution was passed in. The correct answer is option C, 1949. Question number 5. How many landlocked countries are there in Asia? The correct answer is option B, 12. Question number 6. The biggest barrage in Pakistan is. The correct answer is option C, Sakhar Barrage. Question number 7. Which was the first state to join Pakistan? The correct answer is option B, Bahawalpur. Question number 8. The first daily newspaper of Pakistan was. The correct answer is option C, Amroz 1947. Question number 9. Who was Pakistan's first lady pilot? The correct answer is option A, Shukriya Khanum. Question number 10. Which country was first to recognize Pakistan? The correct answer is option A, Iran. Question number 11. SAARC headquarters is located in. The correct answer is option C, Kathmandu. Question number 12. Light year is a unit of. The correct answer is option B, distance. Question number 13. The largest lake in the world is. The correct answer is option C, Caspian Sea. Question number 14. Sindh's irrigation depends mainly on which river? The correct answer is option C, Indus River. Question number 15. Pakistan opened its first embassy in. The correct answer is option D, Iran. Question number 16. Pakistan's literacy rate mentioned in the notes is. The correct answer is option B, 62%. Question number 17. The total area of Sindh province is approximately. The correct answer is option B, 1,40,914 square kilometer. Question number 18. The All India Muslim League was founded in 1906-8. The correct answer is option C, Dhaka. Question number 19. The capital of Iran is. The correct answer is option B, Tehran. Question number 20. The shrine of Khwaja Ghulam Farid is located in. The correct answer is option C, Rajanpur. Question number 21. Who authored Long Walk to Freedom? The correct answer is option B, Nelson Mandela. Question number 22. Which of the following languages has the most alphabets? The correct answer is option C, Sindhi. Question number 23. Tibet is an autonomous region of. The correct answer is option C, China. Question number 24. Tomb of Babur, the first Mughal emperor, is in. The correct answer is option D, Kabul. Question number 25. Which of the following uses GMT5 as its standard time? The correct answer is option B, Pakistan. Question number 26. The land of kangaroos is. The correct answer is option B, Australia. Question number 27. Which country won the ICC Women's Cricket World Cup 2022? The correct answer is option C, Australia. Question number 28. Which country won the ICC Champions Trophy 2025? The correct answer is option C, India. Question number 29. When was Nelson Mandela released after 27 years of imprisonment? The correct answer is option B, 1990s. Question number 30. Banks were nationalized in Pakistan in. The correct answer is option C, 1974. Question number 31. India National Congress was found in. The correct answer is option B, 1885. Question number 32. First session of National Assembly was held on. The correct answer is option B, 10th August 1947. Question number 33. Varshik Dam is located in. The correct answer is option C, KPK. Question number 34. Hana Lake is located in. The correct answer is option D, Balochistan. Question number 35. Ahmad Shah Abdali was a writer of which language? The correct answer is option C, Pashto. Question number 36. Who was the viceroy at the time of partition of Bengal 1905? The correct answer is option B, Lord Curzon. Question number 37. How many legs does a spider have? The correct answer is option D, 8 legs. Question number 38. What are chromosomes made of? The correct answer is option B, DNA and proteins. Question number 39. In which country was the ECU established? The correct answer is option C, Iran. Question number 40. In 1991, USSR collapsed in how many independent republics? The correct answer is option D, 15.